Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside settings, so open network and internet or connections and go straight to mobile data usage. You need to see the per app list so you can target the exact offender. Tap the app you want to change. Once inside that app's data screen, locate background data. You're checking why it's restricted. The toggle may be off or a system policy might enforce limits. Make sure you identify which restriction applies before switching anything. This prevents accidental overages. Now change the setting. Flip background data to allow the app to use mobile data in the background. If Data Saver is active, open Data Saver and add the app to the Allow list or disable Data Saver entirely, otherwise background data stays limited. On newer Android versions, also check battery optimization or app standby. Mark the app as not optimized or allow unrestricted data while Data Saver is on. Once done, the app can sync and update in background. Finish by restarting the app and monitoring mobile data usage to confirm background transfers resumed. If you don't see activity, reboot the device to apply permissions fully and recheck the toggle. Make sure any VPN, firewall, or security app isn't blocking background connections. Temporarily disable them if needed. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears saved Wi-Fi and VPN profiles, but often resolves persistent policy conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.